Hi everyone. So our first night in Sicily, it was pretty touch and go.
Wasn't the best, was it?
No, but things are going to get really pretty from now on out. Look at these streets. I mean, after I've done this little intro, look at the streets here. They are absolutely gorgeous. I'm sure you're going to love Cefalu, is it?
Cefalu.
I think we titled this one Chef in Cefalu. Lovely little town. And we're going to end with some pretty beaches as well. So see you on the other side. I wanted to close off the vlog for the arrival to this place. Now, you might remember last night we were struggling to find anybody to let us in. They didn't seem to know we were arriving. And then we came down this hill and we knocked and tried to find the lady who runs the place in that building on the left side there. And I was just thinking to myself, I think I said in the vlog, I hope there's a road. Luckily we hadn't got to go down that road because it's almost a 45-degree incline. At least I don't think we have to go down there. Well, no, I think I probably said, thankfully we're not down there. Well, turns out that we were down there. This is a crazy steep access. We got into our place late last night, just did a one-night stay. It's not that great, to be honest. The bathrooms were very smelly. The Wi-Fi was close to non-existent. The people are absolutely lovely all the way down this slope. So that's it. That is where we stayed last night. Now we're going to get off and find ourselves something a little bit more central, because this is a long way from anywhere really. One last climb up this big hill. So we are in Cefalu. It's right on the coastline. There's a big rock formation here, and we just thought we'd come in and have a little look at this town. It does look very pretty. These look like beautiful old, are they olive trees? I'm not sure. So you can see this big stone sort of edifice that sits overlooking the town. So this is Cefalu. This is the old town we're walking down now, and it's very pretty. So we have looked at staying in Cefalu. There's a few places that we could stay short term, but not 100% sure at the moment whether parking might be a big issue. There just aren't many foreign cars on the island, so perhaps not many people driving down here, or maybe it's just because it's the lower season. But it's a very sort of archetypical, the sort of thing you'd expect from Sicily. Beautiful little streets, very narrow, lots of these little delivery trucks. This is probably the sort of place I would like to stay. It would be just really resolving whether or not we can get parking. And also, in these older towns, are there places that you can rent for more than just a holiday let? I'll have to look into it. One other possible problem with staying in a place like Cefalu is it's very much a tourist town, and most of the cafes here and bakeries are selling to tourists, so the prices are a little bit higher. And because this is a popular destination, it's the sort of place where people are willing to pay a little bit above the odds for everything. But you know, if you're living here for 3 or 4 months, you don't want to always be paying more for your coffee and more for your food. Restaurante Le Chat Noir, the Black Cat restaurant. Little fresh water fountain. Oh. There's cars, there's little motor scooters coming out of here. Did that little car get through now? Possibly. Now with this big stone cliffs that are hanging out here. Here is this beautiful old church. I like the drain pipe that's coming down the centre there. It's got almost like flower pots, elongated flower pots that have been stuck together. Let's have a look at this cathedral in a bit more detail. It's really very ancient. It's so imposing on the city itself, or the town. Now, I'm not sure of the name of this cathedral, but I know a lot of you say you like to see looks around churches and cathedrals. It does say entrance to the cathedral, but the name I'll try and find for you, and I'll pop it up here so you can see. So let's have a little look what we got here. We've got these pretty little cannoli, if I can get it open. They pack it so nicely. So we've got these small cannoli, which I've been waiting to try for a little while. Let's have a go. It's a ricotta, sweet, crisp. My first cannoli in Sicily. Now this is a pistachio tart. It's got clusters of pistachios on top. Let's give this a try. So the bottom of that, the green section, is like a marzipan. And maybe it's made with pistachios, but I suspect it's almonds. It's a marzipan base with pistachios for colour and flavour. Delicious. And these three pieces were €4, so it seemed quite reasonable.
If you follow the road till it leads you back home, you'll find that the answer is yes.
More great adventures in Sicily to come. I hope you're enjoying this little series and this little look back at the beautiful island of Sicily.
We had such fun there, didn't we?
It was a great time and great food as well. So we will see you in the next video. Take care.
Bye.